What if this entire student could receive own personalized WhatsApp reminder without you sending even a single message manually? So that's exactly what I have automated here. As you can already see on your screen, this Google Sheet contains all of my student records, their name, WhatsApp number, subject, test name, and much more. Now normally I would have to pick every student's number and send their reminder one by one. But with this automation, I can send personalized WhatsApp message reminder to all of these students automatically. And when I say personalized, I mean student receive a message containing their own name, test details, timing, date, room number based directly on the information available in this Google Sheet. So whether the sheet contains 10 records or hundreds of records, I don't have to prepare and send every reminder manually. I have created this complete integration between Google Sheets and Pabbly Chatflow. And the tool behind this complete automation is Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation platform that's help you to connect different applications and automate repetitive tasks without writing a single line of code. And this is not limited to student reminders. You can create similar workflow for appointment reminders, payment reminders, event reminders, class reminders, and many other use cases. You can also create this exact workflow along with me using the Pabbly Connect free trial. And after trying it, if you find Pabbly Connect useful and decide to purchase a plan, then don't pay the regular price. Simply use my coupon code MEHYT during checkout to get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So without wasting any more time, let's start creating this Google Sheets to WhatsApp bulk reminder automation step by step. Alright, so this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. If you're an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect. But if you're not, then go for pabbly.com/connect and create a free account. Once you create it, you will receive 100 free tasks every month to explore the software, which is perfect for testing. After doing the sign up process and selecting the application as Pabbly Connect, you will successfully come on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can create and manage all of your automation workflows. For creating a new workflow, you need to click on this plus create workflow button. So there are three ways to create a workflow by using Pabbly Connect. The one is create from scratch, second one is create using AI, and the third one is create using Quick Builder. All of these are best, but in this tutorial, I'm going to create a workflow by using Quick Builder because it is the fastest and the smartest way. So I'm clicking that option. And this Connect Task Studio is going to be appear in front of me. Here you need to give a single line prompt and it will automatically create a workflow for you. I'll show you how it will work. See, as soon as I send the prompt, connect Google Sheet to Pabbly Chatflow, it analyzes my request and asks me which Google Sheets trigger should start this workflow that I am selecting as new or updated spreadsheet row. After that, it is asking me about Pabbly Chatflow action that I am selecting as send text message. And see, within a second, it will automatically creates a workflow for me and asking me for my approval. So I'll click on this approve and create button. And see, my workflow is created successfully. Now I'm going to open this workflow. Look at this. I got the exact applications that I want, that is Google Sheets and Pabbly Chatflow. Here I have taken the trigger application as Google Sheet and action as Pabbly Chatflow. You can also rename your workflow from here if you want to. See, after getting the application, we need to make a connection between our account and Pabbly Connect. So for that, you need to click on the application and see, it will provide you one webhook URL and the steps mentioned below that how you can connect your Google Sheets account with Pabbly Connect. At first, I'm copying this webhook URL from here and clicking on this recapture webhook response button. Now I'm going to take you to my Google Sheets account. See, this is my Google Sheets account and this is the sheet that I have already created before where I maintained all of my student records. Now for connecting Pabbly Connect with Google Sheet, you need to click on this extensions option. After that, click on this plus add-ons and click on this get add-ons button. Next, search for Pabbly Connect webhooks in the search app fields and install this Pabbly Connect webhooks inside it. Once you install it, it is going to be appear here like this. Just click on this option, click on on this initial setup button. See, one setup is already running in the background. That's why at first I'm removing the previous webbook URL, and now I'm going to paste the new webbook URL in this field that I have copied from this workflow. After pasting the webbook URL, you need to enter the trigger column. See, the trigger column is the final data column where the data is added inside your sheet. So in my sheet, the trigger column is G. That's why I have entered G here. Next, I'm clicking on the send test button, and see, it says that test data sent successfully. Now we will check our workflow to see whether we have received a new response or not. Here you just have to wait for a few seconds, and you will see I have received the response along with the student records that were added inside the first row of my sheet. That is the student name as Arav Sharma, subject as mathematics, test name, test date, and the timing as well. This means that the connection between Google Sheets and the Pabbly Connect is working perfectly. After completing this, you need to click on the submit button. See, the initial setup is successfully configured. Now if you want to send all the student records from your Google Sheets to Pabbly Connect at once, then simply click on this extensions option. After that, go to Pabbly Connect Webbooks and click on send all data. But right now I am not going to click on this option. I will do this at the end of the tutorial once our complete workflow is ready, and I'll show you the real-time working by sending all these student records together. For now, just make sure that the send on event option is always enabled, because when send on event is enabled, whenever you add a new record or a new row inside your Google Sheet, the data will automatically be sent to Pabbly Connect without you doing anything manually. And as you can see, we have successfully received the response inside Pabbly Connect, which confirms that our trigger step is working perfectly. Now let's move towards our action application, which is Pabbly Chatflow. See, here I have used Pabbly Chatflow for sending a message to my students directly on WhatsApp. Pabbly Chatflow is an all-in-one WhatsApp automation tool that's help you to automate WhatsApp messages and responses 24/7 for your different type of businesses. By using this tool, you can also even create a chatbot, AI assistant, broadcast campaign, and much more. For each subscription plan also, you can use my coupon code. Now, for making a connection between Pabbly Chatflow and Pabbly Connect, you need to click on the application. After that, click on this connect button. If you have an existing connection, then you will select this option. I'm going to add a new connection, so I'm selecting this one from here. Next, it will ask you to enter the API token. So for getting this token, you need to go towards your Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. Once you reach there, on the left hand side below, you will see settings. Click on it. After that, you will see one option, API and Webbooks. Just go inside that option and you will successfully get the API token there. So simply copy that token from there and paste it in this field. After that, you need to click on the save button. I have already an existing connection, so I'm selecting this one from here and clicking on the save button. Moving forward, in this recipient WhatsApp mobile number field, I'm going to do the mapping of the response that I have received from the previous application, that is this Google Sheets. To do the mapping, you need to enter the slash on the field and the previous application is visible in front of you. Once you click on it, you will see all the received responses. So in this field, I'm going to do the mapping of WhatsApp number. See, it is mapped. Now what is mapping? So mapping is the most important step in automation as it makes data dynamic. As different students have different contact number, different name, different data. So for capturing each information dynamically, mapping is used. With the help of this mapping, automatically when you enter a new contact number in this field, this will change based on your input. Moving forward, in this WhatsApp message field, I am going to enter the reminder message that I want to send to my students. Here I have added. Now I want to make this message personalized for each of my students. So for that, I am doing the mapping of the student name from the previous application, that is Arav Sharma. Here I have mapped. Now I am doing the mapping of test name. After that, the test date, reporting time, and the room number as well. Here I have mapped. See, I entered this message content based on my choice and mapped only some data, but you can replace it based on your own message. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can integrate Google Sheets with WhatsApp by using Pabbly Connect. Moving forward, these are not required fields, so I'm leaving these blank. But before clicking on the save and send test request button, I want you to know that the contact number I have mapped in this field is a dummy number, and sending a message to dummy contact number is not possible. So for that, I'm removing this mapping from here and going to enter my number manually, just only for the testing purpose. But you have to make sure that in this field you need to map the real contact number that you will receive from your previous application. With the help of this only, the student will receive some message on their WhatsApp. After entering my number manually, I'll click on the Save and Send Test Request button, and you will see I have received the positive response, that is status as success and messages sent. Now I'm going to show you my WhatsApp account. See, immediately I received a new message on my WhatsApp and includes my name as a Arav Sharma and all the test details that I have entered and mapped in this field. So this is how automation works. And I want you to know that I have clicked on the Save and Send Test Request button just only for the testing purpose. You don't have to click on this button manually, you just have to click on the save button and the automation will occur automatically. As we have successfully received some message on our WhatsApp, this means that our action step is also working perfectly and our workflow is completed. Now comes to the most important point, that how you can send this personalized reminder to all the contacts that are present inside your Google Sheets. For this, first come back to our Google Sheets trigger and click on Recapture Webhook Response. Now Pabbly Connect is ready to capture the data again. After that, go back to your Google Sheet, click on Extension, then Pabbly Connect Webhooks, and finally click on Send All Data. And look at this, the moment I click on Send All Data, immediately I start receiving multiple responses inside Pabbly Connect. Now in our action step, I have entered my own WhatsApp number manually for testing purpose. That's why all these reminder messages are being delivered to the same WhatsApp number. And look at the message, each one completely personalized based on the respective student details. The student name is changed based on the mapped information automatically according to the each record present inside Google Sheet. When you create this workflow for actual use, you can simply map the student phone number instead of entering one number manually. So each student will receive their own personalized reminder directly on WhatsApp. And that's it. So this is how easily you can send bulk personalized WhatsApp reminders directly from Google Sheets without manually messaging every contact one by one. You simply maintain your records inside Google Sheets, and with the help of Pabbly Connect and Pabbly Chatflow, you can automate the complete reminder process. And remember, this is not limited to student test reminders. You can use the same setup based on your own use case as well. If you face any difficulties or you have any queries while creating this amazing workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check it out. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, then don't forget to like it and also subscribe to our YouTube channel. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grab an exclusive offer. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.